Hello friends, welcome back, and today I have a unique idea for you that is about boho chic bedroom decor ideas. Boho, short word for Bohemian, is a style that has been gaining popularity in recent years. It is a mix of different cultures and styles, categorized by bright colors, bold patterns, and laid back vibe. A boho bedroom is a perfect place to relax, unwind, and let your creativity run wild. So, in this video, we will explore some boho bedroom ideas that can help you create a space that is unique, comfortable, and stylish. One of the key elements of a boho bedroom is color. Think bright and bold hues like oranges, pinks, and blues. These can be incorporated into your bedding, curtains, and accessories. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns, as this is a hallmark of the boho style. Florals, pastels, and geometric prints can all work together to create a vibrant and eclectic space. Another important aspect of a boho bedroom is texture. Incorporate different textures like macrame, fringe, and woven materials to add depth and interest to your space. A boho bedroom should feel cozy and inviting, so layering different textures can help achieve this. When it comes to furniture, natural materials like wood and rattan are ideal for boho bedroom. A simple bed frame with a natural wood finish can provide the perfect backdrop for colorful bedding and accessories. Rattan chairs or a woven hammock can add a touch of whimsy and relaxation to the space. Plants are also an important element in a boho bedroom. Hanging plants or a tall fiddle leaf fig can bring some greenery and life to your space. Don't be afraid to mix and match different paint types and sizes for a lush and layered effect. So, in the end, a boho bedroom is all about creating a relaxed, eclectic space that reflects your personality and style. By incorporating bright colors, bold patterns, and different textures, natural materials, and plants, you can create a space that feels cozy, inviting, and unique. So, this is all about today's video. I hope you like it. If you like our channel, subscribe us and hit the